Alright, Anthony. Fingers crossed this shit works.
Yes, we do. We're going to need a bunch of volunteers.
Oh, I knew it.
Mechanical workers.
It's not going to work. No, I think it's not working still.
I don't think you're transponding it, Anthony.
Yeah. Oh no, the car's not working.
Transponder. He's not checking in.
It's broken, I'm pretty sure.
It doesn't look like you got no power.
Yeah, I know.
You have a light, but you got no fans.
Yeah. It's, yeah, see.
One more after the stand. Looks like we just need one more. We're gonna.
I can go down.
You wanna go to the stand?
Do you have anything?
Get Matt here behind you.
I just had to adjust a bunch of shit.
Loose wires.
You can run without me, because I'll have to tweak it.
Why is that?
Sonic the Hedgehog. Or is it Spider-Man?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll have to keep working on it. It could be. I think it's the ESC connection. No, no. I'll see about the next one. We'll see.
No more speed, no more speed. That's great. Let's see if he checks in. Anthony, pass it around.
Oh!
He's checked in. He's racing.
I'm racing. I give it one lap before it dies.
You gotta go down in reverse and then go back.
We're going the other way, Anthony.
Oh shit, we're going the other way. Hey, new guy here.
As long as you're on the other side of that line, we'll be starting. You guys ready? Is that much you need more advantage there, Dean? Get you closer. There you go. Put the pressure on instantly. Little kid going. Fast kid. We're going live. Oh, wait. We're going to get you this fixed up. Racers ready?
Oh my goodness.
Marshall's ready. We're going live. Sally Tone.
Oh no! I survived longer than Dion?
You hit the electric box.
Like a boss.
Stay with it, Dave. Look good out there. Got the line. Take it tight to the inside. Not overshooting anything. Got that line down straight away coming into that double by the wall. with the little taco banana right before. Half down, 3.5 to go. Qual, Dion, Anthony. He's on a 25, 505. His fastest lap 11.7. Dane 23, 506. His fastest is 20, 12.3 on that one. Anthony, he's getting around laps for 25.13. 53 is his fastest. Nice jump pass, backwards up.
Yep.
Two minutes to go. Dane, Anthony. Dion with a breakout. Dion, 0 laps.
Hold me up for a minute. No, I'm good. Just put me down.
Little over a minute to go. Colton, 25, 504. Sticking that 25, 504 pace. 11.7. Good fast. Not too far off fast pace. I think 11.2 was Mike's fast pace. Matt and Sponge were both 11.9 fast Sponge.
Yeah, that was showing off a little.
40 seconds.
Watch what I can do.
Watch it going smooth as butter. Tugging them pipes inside. Look at this, inside. Inside landing. Inside landing. You can put an X at the landing of every one of them jumps, and that kid would nail that X.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
To the line.
First placing warmed up.
11.6 out of Colton on that one.
Woo!
24.512.
Good run, man. My car made it. It's still alive at least.
Got a problem, Anthony.
What's the problem?
Cup is whipped itself through there.